Dear ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I'm YiDa Deng from Hainan University. I'm glad to introduce the research and application progress of clean energy storage and converting systems in Hainan. Our report from the following three parts. First, the geography, environment, and the resources of Hainan. Hainan is the southernmost province in China. It is surrounded by the South China Sea and adjacent to the countries of Southeast Asia. Hainan has many advantages for living and for industry development. It has the lowest air pollution index and the best natural scenery comparing to other cities in China. The average temperature is 10 to 33 degrees C throughout the year, which is very suitable for human living and for traveling. Hainan has rich renewable clean energy resources, which is convenient for developing clean energy converting and storage systems. For instance, it has more than 2,000 hours of sunshine per year, with an average temperature of about 26 degrees C. Thus, we are putting more attention on developing photovoltaic industry. Moreover, to utilize the rich wind energy, we established many onshore and offshore wind power generations. In addition, the biomass, tidal, and wave energy have also been considered for further utilization. The electricity generated from the renewable resources has typical intermittent and fluctuate characteristics. Then, how to utilize the electricity that generated from the unstable resources? One method is to store the electricity into the energy storage systems and transfer the electricity into the grid. However, the large-scale electricity cannot be stored and will cause the grid unstable. Therefore, another method is to use the electricity for water splitting to produce hydrogen. And the hydrogen could be directly used in fuel cell vehicles and chemical synthesis, which can improve the utilization efficiency of the renewable clean energy resources. Then I will reintroduce the achievements and applications of clean energy in Hainan. Hainan Motor Company, which is the biggest automobile company in Hainan, has established water splitting systems to produce hydrogen, and the whole system was driven by solar cells. Moreover, Hainan has put abundant researching and financial resources to develop hydrogen fuel cells. The newly developed vehicle using hydrogen fuel cell has finished the road test. In each vehicle, it has three hydrogen storage tanks with total volume of 180 liters, and the endurance mileage could reach 800 kilometers, which is longer than the traditional gasoline vehicle. Moreover, the hydrogen could also be used for the chemical synthesis. Yangpu Development Zone is the biggest special economic area in Hainan. Recently, up to 10 companies in Yangpu have signed a cooperation agreement to invest $1.5 billion to produce hydrogen through water splitting, and the generated hydrogen will be directly used by themselves. Photovoltaic industry is another energy converting system by utilizing sunlight to generate electricity. Up to now, Hainan has finished many big photovoltaic projects. For example, the photovoltaic power stations in Ledong and Tunchang reach 20 megawatts. The Dongfang station even reached 50 megawatts. The generated electricity from solar cells reach 8% of the total electricity in Hainan. Typically in Wenchang, the scale of photovoltaic industry reaches 100 megawatts, and the electricity was directly used for fishing, farming, and other agricultural industry. Hainan also started the roof plan to establish distributed photovoltaic projects on the roof of the house. The electricity can not only meet the requirements of self-use, but also being used in other areas or transferred into grids. This project greatly promoted the local economic development and the ecological environment. Hainan also has rich wind energy resources. At present, Hainan has built several wind power stations. Up to now, the onshore and offshore wind power generations reach 1,300 megawatts and 4,200 megawatts respectively. The generated electricity accounts for 7% of the total electricity in Hainan. Moreover, Hainan is planning to build 15 billion offshore wind power industry before 2025. Hainan has also put more attention on developing electric vehicles. The traditional gasoline vehicle will be stopped for sale in 2030. In recent years, the growth rate of electric vehicle reaches 91% in each year. The proportion of electric vehicle reaches 50% in the whole province of the above half year of 2022. Moreover, the charging piles are established in each gas station, and the ratio of car to charging pile reached 2.3, which is much higher than the average value in the other provinces in China. Next, I'll introduce the main research progress of clean energy conversion and storage systems in Hainan University. First, I will give a short introduction of Hainan University. Hainan University is located at the north of Haikou City, China, close to the South China Sea. It was founded in 1983 and was included in the National 211 project. It has totally 41,000 students and 74 majors. Although wall splitting has many advantages, it has been confined by the high cost. At current state, the cost for producing 1 normal cubic meter hydrogen is 4.4 yuan, and 84% of the cost is caused by the large potential for wall splitting. Therefore, developing efficient electric catalysts for wall splitting is one of the key aspects for putting forward its large-scale application. Hainan University has developed low-cost, efficient, and stable transmetal-based electric catalysts. The efficiency is comparable to the noble metal-based electric catalysts. The stability is 20 times higher than that of commercial catalysts. Moreover, we have developed a large-scale preparation strategy. We can synthesize 1 kilogram of the transmetal-based catalyst at one time, and the catalytic performance has no abrupt degradation. Recently, we are putting forward the commercialization of the catalyst. To putting forward the commercial application of wall splitting for hydrogen generation, we designed a new type of wall splitting devices and enlarged the scale to produce hydrogen. Based on this achievement, we collaborated with Hainan Nuclear Power Company and applied the Hainan Key Research and Development Program. Professor Xinlong Tian in Hainan University collaborated with Haima Company, and they established wall splitting factory. Moreover, they are developing seawater or splitting techniques and have gained big progress in recent years. Developing energy storage systems are critically important for the application of off-grid devices, such as electric vehicles and laptops. The theoretical capacity and energy density of metal batteries, such as zinc batteries, are several times higher than that of lithium batteries, which makes them as extremely promising candidates for replacing the traditional energy storage systems. Moreover, the metal batteries are much safer and cheaper than the fossil fuels such as gasoline. Up to now, Hainan University has prepared square metal level air electrodes. We also designed the metal air batteries with bi-air electrodes and electrolyte circulation systems. Moreover, we have developed different metal battery systems to meet the power requirements in different occasions. The zinc battery with 100-watt power station can power the LED devices for more than 100 hours. In addition, we have developed seawater metal battery systems. We are collaborating with other companies to develop large-scale seawater batteries and establish monitoring system in deep sea and open sea. Finally, I would thanks to all members in our group in both Tianjin University and Hainan University. Thanks to the funding from NSFC, MSTC, and MEC. Thanks to our collaborators. Thanks a lot for your attention. Thank you.